You share their concern that, quote, council, they noting the concern growing on.
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagana and Asiedu TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about who from Mr. President and Major also. You need to say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina hwato e ko amamo we die e die nto Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda hwa ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
You share their concern that, quote, council, they noting the concern growing unease among party, wider public regarding premature presidential campaigns, related political activity.
There were rumors about certain ministers having problem with their colleague ministers and so on. I thought that was what. In fact, some of them was almost nearly played in the public domain.
One in particular one that played out was the finance minister versus the agric minister.
That was why
back and forth exchanges. People suggested that it was because of ambition.
That was what a responsible council of elders had to step in. I thought I'll do my work, because if that work never gets done, I am the first to be blamed. If work in any ministry is not done well, it is the minister you hold responsible. So if I sit there as national chairman and I hear that party people are disgruntled about ABC appointments, it is not possible for everybody to get appointment. It's not everybody to get recruitment into the security services and all that. And I'm happy that they listened to me. And again, during the elections, you saw me campaigning specifically to get MPs elected. And I went to the grassroots, zonal centers, I never went to district centers or regional centers. I went to the villages and asked them to vote for us and promised them that after the voting, I'll come and thank them. And so if you listen to the people who were testifying, we're very happy that you have this politician who promised to come and thank us after the voting. We voted for him, and today he's here to thank us. Didn't you hear that everywhere we went, the chiefs, opinion leaders, assemblymen, they were all happy that.
Obia carry cocoa bear bag do, wakwani ya man 5 million. Satam 31 million sunka, 300 and something million. Aye, wakwani ya man 5 million. No, they are better on Chinedi. No, asafa from co, no, akwaji 2 million. No, they are better Kobe. Sa, yashisikano. Ghana ni, say na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni, me se Ghana ni hutono. Wanywene na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na kokko ekurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese ka mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno asa da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na wakwaji abeto dem na da ho wuwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai John Mahama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfu otukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wuhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wuhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wunnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan otwa krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia ye nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them nkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na na yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem. Me na wo ne wo sia che me se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to mutu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, ntimo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo mamu kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Ibrahim Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.